Welcome. In this short exercise, we'll write a tiny practical C# program that transforms a string's case depending on its length. If the string has fewer than 4 characters, we convert the whole string into uppercase. Otherwise, we lowercase only the first 4 characters and leave the rest as is. This is a great little task to practice substring, case transforms, and safe handling of console input. Let's jump into the problem and code. Brief. You convert a string so that the short strings, which is fewer than 4 characters, become uppercase, and longer strings have only the first 4 characters lowercase. We will guard against null input and trim incidental white space. For non-letter characters such as digits and punctuation, ToLower and ToUpper are still safe. They won't change the digits, but they will affect the letters. Ready to see the code? Here's a clean, straightforward solution. We read input and replace null with an empty string to avoid exceptions. Trim is optional, but makes the program friendlier by ignoring accidental, leading, or trailing spaces. If the length is under 4, we call ToUpper on the whole string. Otherwise, we build the result by lowercasing the first 4 characters and appending the remainder untouched. This keeps the logic simple and readable. Step by step, we safely read and optionally trim the string. Check its length, then branch either uppercase, the whole string, if it is short case, or lowercase, only the first 4 characters, and append the tail. This is a single pass logical flow, though substring and ToLower do allocate new strings, and is easy to test. If you need case-insensitive cultural behavior, consider ToLowerInvariant or ToUpperInvariant for consistent results across locales. These examples highlight normal and edge cases. Notice that digits are unaffected by case changes. 1234 remains 1234. An empty string remains empty. Exactly 4 characters are handled by the else branch. We then lowercase those 4 characters, effectively the whole string. This table is handy for unit tests. This tiny transformation is useful beyond exercises. For formatting user IDs, displaying compact codes in uppercase, or normalizing text in a pipeline. The pattern, apply different rules depending on length, is common and trivial to extend. For example, change number of characters, different transforms, or locale aware casing. That's it. A short, robust solution for the case transformation rule. It is easy to test and adapt. Change the cutoff from 4 to any other number, or apply different transforms to the prefix or tail. If you want, I can convert this into a reusable function with unit tests, or show a version that handles Unicode grapheme clusters properly for languages where a character is more than one character. Would you like that next? Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more C# tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.